Hello, my beautiful people. We are on a hot girl walk through downtown Miami. It is my first day off for the holiday, so I'm off starting today, which is December 19th, until January 5th, a good 2 weeks and a half. Excited for that. Although my life right now has been pretty crazy after moving and doing all the things from LA back to Miami. I am going through not only personal things, but work things. Well, work is actually pretty good. I ended the year on a good note, but still at a cost. I feel like I am completely burnt out. Maybe in another video I will go in depth of all the things. I feel like the only reason why I'm a little bit down is because normally, work is hard, but life is good, or your relationship is bad, but your finances are good, or your finances are bad, but everything else is good. It's a rare occasion when everything kind of happens all at once. I mean, I'm grateful because I know a lot of people have it worse than me. So I'm just focusing on what I can, which is not drinking, because ever since I got back, it's been back-to-back outings, and I did 75 hard twice in LA. It's in the best shape ever, and then I gained all the weight back moving. So I'm gonna continue my walk. It's beautiful outside, and we will go back home and rest, maybe edit whatever I have here. My plan is to edit and upload every day of my vacation, or, well, not vacation, but of my holiday break. So I will catch you later.